Hello guys, once more is your girl Calista Star Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my top to match my skirt. I sewed this dress, but my top half was not the best for me. It had some complications and I didn't want to use it, but because I had to use this dress, so I decided to use the part that was meant to be used as scarf to come out with something befitting of the skirt. So like you can see, the material is 1.65 meters the length, and the width is 1.17 meters. So just follow what I'm doing. Wear any vest you like underneath that. It could be black, it could be blue, it could be yellow, depending on the color of your material. And people who do not want to wear anything under or want to expose their belly buttons, they can do it without wearing anything. So all you do is to follow what you are seeing on the screen. I hold that at the back with my rubber band, and all I'm trying to do now is to gather it, make it look smooth, clean, neat, and I take it to the front to cover one strap of my bra. You can take it left or right depending on what you do, and you just follow the rest as you can see on the video. Anywhere you are not secured, guys, anywhere you don't feel comfortable, you can always use a pin to secure it down, like the design I'm making right now. I'm very sure it's going to stay there, but if you are not sure, you can use 1 or 2 pins to clip that on your bra strap. Then I go ahead and take this part off because it's not meant to be exposed, and fit it in there, and that is it. You can now do with your accessories. Like I said, use pins wherever you want. Then make use of your accessories, and it is done. If you love my video, guys, do not forget to like, comment, and share the video. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you for always being there. I acknowledge all your love. So guys, I have a Facebook page, I have a Facebook group, TikTok account, and a YouTube account. I'm going to be leaving all the names of this under the description of this video, so you can go as well, follow me, like my videos, comment, and share to your friends. Thank you.